For a bold, contemporary look that matches your lifestyle, wear this men's watch from TAG Heuer's Formula 1 collection. This watch has a 43mm sandblasted, polished stainless steel case, featuring a notched and fluted racing bezel in polished stainless steel and aluminum, as well as a sapphire crystal for added security. This watch also features a polished steel easy grip screw and crown, with raised fine-brushed TAG Heuer shield, and a circular fine-brushed steel screw-in case back with special checkered decoration. The Sunray blue dial makes a splash with the TAG Heuer logo, a printed stopwatch, and a date window at 3 o'clock. Bright orange pops of color can be found on the stopwatch in second hand, adding a hint of color to your watch that you will love. With a water resistance up to 200 meters, this Quartz movement watch completes the look with a 3-link stainless steel bracelet that ensures the watch stays comfortably secured to your wrist. The TAG Heuer Formula 1 Quartz watch, for a bold look to match your lifestyle.